Welcome to Ranchikud the Kitchen, friends. Today we are making Kangacho Nevrio or sweet potato karanji or gujia. See here, very delicious and very tasty authentic recipe of Goa. These are sweet potatoes. I have washed them thoroughly and pressure cook it with little salt. Cook it for 1 or 2 whistles or 3 whistles are enough. We want them very soft and tender. Here my sweet potato is cooked. Remove it. Peel off the skin. It comes out very easily, just like potato. Here, see, very easily I can remove the skin. See here, I have removed the skin of all the sweet potatoes. Now let us grate it. Some people just mash it, but I don't like, because I want the texture very smooth. So what I am doing is I grate it. Now let us measure the grated sweet potato. For 1 cup I add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. So these are 3 cups. I am taking 6 tablespoons of wheat flour. See here, this is 2nd cup and the 3rd cup. Okay, so see here. Now let us add the wheat flour. So 6 tablespoons of, use the spoons that you have for the measuring spoons, use that. Mix well, and just like you need the atta for chapati, add little salt if you want. We have already added salt while cooking, so taste the sweet potato before adding salt. Here, see, it comes out very nice and a smooth dough. Our dough is ready. Cover and keep it. You can keep it in an airtight container for a couple of days. Now here I have powdered almonds and cashew nuts for the stuffing. In a kadhai, I have taken 1.5 cup of fresh grated coconut and 1 cup, little less than 1 cup of jaggery, little salt because my jaggery is not, little sugar because my jaggery is not that sweet, and the powdered almonds and cashew nuts, little bit of elaichi, and this is the essence, kesar essence. Mix all the ingredients. You can reduce the amount of jaggery if you like. It is all up to you. If you find the jaggery is more, you can just add half a cup. For 1.5 cup of coconut, just add half or 3/4 cup of jaggery. Now cook till it binds together. Now let us make the nevrio. This polythene I am using to make the nevrio. See here. This is the cover. Little bit of oil I'll be putting it. I'm using rice bran. Please don't think that the oil is not good. This is rice bran oil, and that is the reason the color is different. Here you can see the procedure of making these nevrios. This is a bit different than normal karanji you make. See, now to give the exact form, what I am doing is, see here, it is quite thin. Now my stuffing is ready. Add very little of stuffing on one side, just like we make nevrio. Fold it. shape it with the gujia cutter or the Kharanji Nevrio cutter. Yeah, see, our Nevrio are ready. Similarly, I am making the rest of the Nevrio. Little oil so that the batter doesn't stick to your hand. Roll it. It's very easy to roll. Don't make it very thin, just keep little thickness. Just to give shape, I am using this thali. See, it comes out very easily because we have applied oil to it. Stuffing. Cover it from all the sides and cut it with the, trim it with the trimmer. It is done. Yeah. See here. Now I have already prepared all the Nevrios and kept ready. Keep that we are not deep frying these because the covering is very soft and it is already cooked. So we just have to make them crispy, not crispy, just to cook the cover. What we are doing is a little bit of ghee. This is ghee or tup or what you call clarified butter. And on the pan and arrange the gujias or Nevrio on top of it. We are shallow frying it. Okay. Add little bit of ghee if required. Fry them nicely till they are golden brown. Serve hot.